Hi everyone, Eileen Smith here, and one of the things that I love about live streaming is the ability to increase engagement and interaction with my audience. And so today I have a special treat because I'm going to show you something that you can do on Facebook Live to increase that engagement with your audience. I am on my Facebook profile, but I recommend you do this on your page or in a group. But since this is a demo, I'm going to use my profile. Okay? So you see here that I have this set to only me. So let me just put demo here, and demo, you want to give this a title. Click on the interactive tab in order to compose the poll. So this is what I'm going to ask. Do you ever use Facebook polls? And just make it very simple. Yes, you want to be very simple about the questions that you're asking in the polls. You don't want to make polls that have really complicated questions that people have to think too hard about. So you want to ask some things that are simple. Some of the polls I've done in the past are, do you have an iPhone? You want to make the polls fun. You want to make people want to come back and also see what their friends are saying in response to the polls. Okay, so we're going to save this. All right, so now we're going to go live, and I want to bring your attention to at the top right-hand side. After a few seconds, you're going to see 3 dots appear. There they go. There's the 3 dots. When you get that, you're going to edit the post. Now, you would be doing your regular live stream, so you kind of have to do this in the background, okay? So keep it in mind. So you're going to edit the post. Then you have to save because you've already entered your question and your answers. So now you're going to hit save. Now, one last step. You have to hit publish. And boom, the poll pops up right on screen. You also have the option here to let people vote on the poll when the video is no longer live. And you can also publish the results. Well, we don't have any results right now, so we're not going to publish them. So I just want you to also see that people will see this as well when they're on their mobile phones. You can see here that the poll is down at the bottom of the page. So make sure you let folks know to look down at the bottom of their phone for the poll, because you want to get as many votes in there as you can. And so I just voted there. Just so you can see now it's 100%. When you go live from your phone, you'll also have the option to add the poll. So navigate to your page and click live video. You see the poll option is the bottom one there. You also can add in little emojis they already have set up instead of saying yes or no. It's another really fun way to just go ahead and have that question. Then once you compose your poll, you can take your finger and move it around to position it right where you want on screen. So make sure that you come back, because I have so many Facebook trainings that I want to share with you. I also have a lot of live streaming trainings here. So you can turn on the notification bell. Make sure you come back. And so with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.